Ara sila. Hinlo. Nanami karon diri no. So, wala sila. Naghinlog isda para mong kilawon og sugbaon. So, ato punta.
With the teardrops start, I found a secret. It's Jesus in my heart. Happiness is a new creation. Jesus and me in close relation, having a part in His salvation. Happiness is the Lord. Real joy is mine.
Saging, dayon balanghoy, dayon ginilaw, dayon sinugba. Okay, ara mong naguna-una na may kaon kay pag man naluto ang manok, igutan pa. So, naras tatay.
Happiness is to be forgiven, living a life that's worth the living, taking a trip that leads to heaven. Happiness is the Lord. Happiness is the Lord.